Going over the trades on the day, up 4,100 to end the week on the 250K portfolio, up 725 on the 50K portfolio. We would have expected more gains on a day like today with a big move. The market internals really diverged, and a lot of our systems did not trigger signals. We'll go over that live on the week. Down on the week, it's a down week. We're down on the month with 2 trading days left. Monday is a holiday. Up about 4% on the quarter and up on the year. So let's go over the market internal divergence that we're talking about. We've seen this narrow rally in the market, and you can see, let me expand this a little bit. It's just in that stealth rally mode where the NASDAQ just takes off and a lot of our market internals chop around and go down. It goes up and then goes down. It's not really strong. A lot of the times when we've done really well and made, $20,000 on days like today, is the market internals were followed through. We depend on the market internals for confirmation and a lot of our strategies, but on a day like today, there's no follow. There's a lot of divergence. We've seen extreme divergence this year on a very short-term basis, and then this week we've seen a massive divergence with NVIDIA really skyrocketing the NASDAQ in the last 2 days. And on Wednesday, we were net short here. There was no follow through. We're also in that environment where the market is, we're out of sync with the trend because the trends that we're trading get congested, and then the follow through happens overnight. So we were short here, no follow through on Tuesday, and then the follow through happened overnight. Then we were net long here, about to go up for the day, and it pulled back against us, and then it went up overnight. And then we struggled yesterday, about to go up for the day here, pull back on us, about to go up for the day here, pull back on us, and then it did go down a little bit overnight, but overall it went up, it gapped up and rallied, and we didn't have a lot of positions. Robot really did well today, but a lot of our other positions in our opening chop really set us back, and so just a small gain today relative to this trend, and a disappointing week overall. Just one of the more emotionally frustrating weeks because we've anticipated this move, and the way this market has moved we've just been out of sync with this type of price action, the divergences, and then the platform crashes. We've had multiple platform crashes. I have other strategies that I'm looking at implementing. It's just taking me longer to get these strategies implemented and researched and in place when I'm always dealing with platform crashes. This latest update for TradeStation has been one of the more difficult ones, so I hope they get that resolved soon. Let's look at the trades on the day, and I've tested this on different operating systems, different computers. I have multiple computers, and it's been a really hard setup to manage lately. The data servers seem to get congested. Here's Robot, one of our top strategies, really called this trade. This is the highlight of the day, capturing this move, big gain. So we love this strategy, really. It has a lot of small losers, and then it has a tendency to capture the big winner, and it did that today. One of the things you'll also see in TradeStation is the minimize window goes away, and you have to close the workspace and reopen it. So I'm going to have to pause the video and do that now. So I had to close the workspace and reopen it to get this little minimize window to come back. I'm always hesitant to expand the window because I don't know if I'm going to have to close the workspace and reopen it. Zigzag's really been a dog, as well as the choppers. These new strategies we've added to take advantage of the mean reversion have not turned out so well this month. Minus 550 there, minus 735 on momentum reversal. EVP1 capture this move at the end of the day, no follow through. We see this a lot where the market will move down in the morning and then sideways in the afternoon. Now we're seeing it again up in the morning and then sideways, just a slow grind higher, no real massive trend. EVP1, we have two variations of this. Both were down minus 125. Cobra 3 plus 330, just a small trade at the end of the day, no follow through, still waiting on the balance sheet resolution, and the market has assumed it will be resolved, and it's going to run up into that and maybe even surge once it's resolved if it happens during market hours. But then after that, I think that the market will take profits and it'll be a downtrend. So You see the market. It's also doing this. It's talking about exiting and then it going in our favor. These EVP1 trades, as soon as we exited, it's kind of surged in our favor, and is up currently right now. Let's exit the 14,355. So exit and then it surges, sold and then it surges. Viper as well. So Viper was a highlight as well. S&P strategies, Cobra 3 plus 575, and the choppers. These are the dogs of our strategies that we, have hurt our results the most. Minus 1225 on opening chop 1, opening chop 2, minus 887.50, tick chop, minus 1650, tick counter and dynamic turnaround, plus 775. And so these are the trades on the day for Friday, May 26, 2023, ahead of a holiday weekend. Again, no trading on Monday. Pick up the last 2 trading days of the week on Tuesday and Wednesday, and we'll continue to work to get in sync with this market, as this has been a out of sync type of market, and we're looking to get back to equity peaks. The last equity peaks were May the 5th, and so we want to get back there. Those were, I guess, just 3 weeks ago. So want to get back to those equity peaks, and looking for a good trend and good mean reversion strategies as well with the research. So have a good holiday weekend. We will pick it up on Tuesday. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.